How to turn off camera on TikTok Live. Hey everyone, this is Rose from Create, Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, launch TikTok app on your device. Now head towards plus button at bottom center of the screen. And then you will reach on this post section where you need to simply swipe and find out live option. If you don't get the live option, simply you need to fix the issue first of all, and then you need to choose TikTok live option. So let me make you aware that there is no such option as turning off your camera on your live, but let me teach you a hack. So at the top you will see a flip icon right there. You have to tap on it to switch it to your rear camera. Now you can just place it on the floor so that you can have a black background and you don't have to show your face at all, or let it be in your front camera and you can just place it to your view of the roof, just like what I am doing right now. And simply you can easily turn off camera on TikTok live. So that is it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then to like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.